Hey everybody! I'm here today with an experiment. I'm going to allow you to watch me pouring hot water onto an apple. Now I've read that when you pour hot water onto an apple, there is a little bit of a layer of wax that sort of comes off of the apple. And I'm going to try that out. As you can see, I actually have a pot of boiling water right here, and I have an apple. I've created a little contraption that allows me to pour the water onto the apple, and then the water will filter down through that funnel into that mug. So I created a little contraption. This is an experiment. I want you to watch to see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work the way that I've been told, but what I want you to do is watch, okay? So I'm going to bring that camera up nice and close, and we're going to slowly pour the water on the apple. I want you to really watch to see if we see any wax coming off, okay? So far, I can see that it does look weird, I'm not going to lie, but it's not exactly wax that I see. So as you can see right here, it is a very weird looking apple right now, but I don't see any wax. We're going to pause for a moment. We'll take a look at the apple. I don't see any wax. I'm going to keep pouring more. And what we'll do is we're going to try and just maybe wipe my finger on it, just gently. Hopefully I don't burn my finger, to see if we see any wax. So it looks like the cup is probably about full right now. Okay, I'm going to place this on the ground. I don't want to burn the table over there. Let's see if I just move. Yeah, the cup is definitely full. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to just rub it along the apple. It's actually not overly hot, so I can do this. It is a little bit warm, but I'm not burning my hand. And it doesn't look like anything is coming off of the apple. And I'm kind of disappointed because, you know, when I read it, I was like, wow. When I was reading about it, I was like, I'm going to pour hot water on an apple, and then, you know, like wax is going to melt off. I'm going to just be able to go like this. We can create a candle with the wax. But that didn't happen. So if you read the same thing that I read, let me know. I guess in theory the wax could be in the water, but I don't think it's in there. If you look at the water, it looks really clear. Looks like everything's fine. If you look on the apple itself, it was a bruised apple to begin with. That's why I chose this one. I mean, it's only partially edible. There's actually nothing on it at all. Like, I've been wiping my fingers on it. It does feel a little bit less waxy than usual. Like, you know, the apples usually feel like waxy. It does feel a little bit less waxy, but there's definitely no wax residue on the apple or on my fingers at all. Like, nothing. Zero. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I guess it was worth it still to watch this because now you get to see that at least with this specific apple, nothing comes off of it. But I was kind of excited to see the potential of the apple actually, like, wax coming off and melting off it. But this is the experiment. You know, sometimes experiments work out in your favor and sometimes they don't. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Regardless, if you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.